Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're great and wonderful. I'm back, guys. I want to show you a system that you can use for 30-day success formula. Okay, I just literally joined this yesterday. One of my business partners showed it to me, and I was like, yep, gotta have it because this is going to help you guys out. But before I get started with that, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Go ahead and click the notification bell, okay, so you can be notified every time I upload new videos, okay? So, again, I'm an affiliate marketer. I do this full time, and I show you different programs in which you can make money from home, okay? In this case, this is a system, okay? I like to share systems and tools as well that you can use, okay, to help you in the business that you're promoting. So that's what you're going to be looking at here. Okay, this is a capture page system, a marketing system, if you will, and it's designed for the 30-day success formula. Because ever since I started, I've had people reaching out to me because I have mine set up online. I have my sales letter online, and everybody wants to know how did you do that? Okay, so being that I'm not really technical in that arena, and someone actually did that for me because I have since added it in its hosting now. Okay, it's no longer on Google Docs. It's actually on a hosting site. So everybody's asking me, how did I do that? So I thought this would be the perfect marketing system for you guys, so you don't have to worry about going out there getting hosting or trying to figure out how do I take my sales letter and get it online. This system does all that for you. I used to be a part of my capture page system. That's what this is. Long time ago when I kind of first started, maybe back, I don't know, maybe 2013, 2014 or something like that, back during that time. And they do have some good videos that they put together. But I thought this was perfect. As you can see, this is the capture page, mailbox money, okay, as easy as mailing letters. So it fits perfectly, okay? Now, I'm going to show you the landing page, okay? So this is perfect for you guys, the newbies or anybody that, you know, don't want to have to worry about setting up anything. This is perfect for you. Now, as you know, for my more seasoned people that want to brand themselves more and do the videos and upload yourself kind of thing, the Conversion Pros is where you may want to go. And I'll put a link below for that, okay? But this one is more of a done for you. Everything's already in place. Just plug and play. Okay? So, let's go over there and check it out. All right? Hang on a second. Let's see. I believe this is it here. All right. This is the landing page. Okay? Now, as you can see, you cannot click out of here. I like that idea that the video is embedded. You cannot click out and go straight to YouTube. So that's awesome. So once you opt in, as you can see, a portion, first of all, there's a video. So that's the first thing. Okay. Then they've taken the sales letter, the first, like, as you can see here, just the part without the page 6. So this is great because when someone goes here, they can see the letter right here okay, then we're going to show you how they're going to see your letter in a second. But this is awesome. As soon as someone opts in, they watch this video, then they scroll through here, and boom, here's the main information. But everything is here, so you keep going, okay, all the way down. He has the FAQ section. Now, as you get right here, click the Get Started button. This is where you're going to see my sales letter. Okay, the person that you're joining. Okay, so right here, it allows you to put your picture. So I put my picture in there. And I put a little blurb. You can do this as well. Okay, and right here, it says, do you want a site like this? And this is where you would take my information from here, because I will be the one that's referring you to the system. On the inside, I'm going to show you where you put my information as the referrer. Okay, so my team is using this. So if you click Get Started, okay, which I've already done, okay, I'm going to show you that. Hang on a second. Oh, I thought I did, but here we go. Okay, give it a second. It's going to come up. This is my actual sales letter, and this is what the person that's joining you would just print it off. It's going to take a second because it's loading. It is a file, and it's 6 pages. Hang on 1 second here. Okay, it's loaded now. But as you can see right here, that's my sales letter. So it's loaded on here. Okay, I don't want to reveal nobody else's information, so that's why I'm not going to go all the way down to the bottom. But right here, you see, once I click get started, it took me right to my sales letter. And that's what will happen if you get this system, okay? Because it's going to be embedded in there. Once you click this get started, it takes you right to my sales letter, okay? So, perfect for you guys, the newbies getting started, or someone that just don't plan on really doing their own videos kind of thing, and they just want a system that they can use. You're going to be able to run traffic to this as well because you have a capture page, you have an autoresponder built in there, and I'm going to go into the back office as well. Hang on 1 second here. Take you over there. Second. Okay, as you can see, I'm in the members area right now, okay, and you can see people have already opted in. What I did is I shared it with some people. I've already put the link on the video, which is going to be in your description, so people have already been opting in. So I'm going to show you some information to cover this. We're going to go over to the personal. It's already set up, guys. You don't have to do anything but set up your profile, okay? That's it. The videos, everything is in there. I'm going to show you that. Hang on a second. Okay, as you can see, I'm going to cover this up because the person that referred me, I don't want to put their information out there, but I'm in the profile, okay? It asks you for your name, your address, and right here it says, what company are you promoting? You're going to put in there 30-day success formula. Who referred you? That information is on my landing page, so make sure you go back. When you enter your information, it takes you to my landing page, okay? At the bottom, you will see my name, phone number. Put that information in here as the referral, okay? Who referred you? We'll put the name there. You put the person's email, and you'll put my phone number. And the rest of this you don't need to worry about, but I'm going to go down to the bottom. Hang on a second. Okay, as you scroll down the page, right here it says 30-day success formula. If you already have a link, like a lot of people have already used Bitly or something like that, you already have that link, you would just type it in that box, okay? HTTP :/ and whatever that link is. Just copy it right in this 30-day success formula box, okay? If you already have your link, all right? So that's your profile, and you can do your picture too. I'm going to show you that as well. You put a signature on there. I've done that, and that's all I did. In 5 minutes, it was done. That's it, because the system is set up. You don't need to do anything. Hang on. Okay, you go right here for signature. You can set up your signature. I did that, and I just put a picture in there, and I clicked save, and that was it. Let me show you that, and that's it. You're done, okay? So it comes up as a signature. You can put your information there, and I put a picture in there, okay? And that's what shows up on the landing page, and I click save, all right? And I'm back here, okay? Now, that's it. Right here, you go here, you load your photo. Right here, guys, you can email your list, broadcast. You can send out a email message to your list at any point in time, like all these people that have opted in. Even though the system has an autoresponder, if I want to just shoot out an email today, I can do that on the fly, okay? But let me show you the autoresponder for 30-day success. That's already in there. That's included. And it's only $19.95, guys, plus a $10 one-time setup fee. Here you are. The autoresponder is set up for you, okay? They've already added that in there. So all you do is your profile, and that's it. Okay? Okay, and that's it. You're set up. Set your profile up. You're done, because all this is already in the system. Okay? That is it. For those of you that need yours uploaded, you'd have to contact the company. They have a support email. Once you get in here, you'll see the contact us, and just shoot them a email to get that set up. But this is awesome for all of you that want to be online, don't know how to set up your sales letter. This is the perfect little system. Again, $19.95 plus a one-time $10 fee. So for $29.95, you can be set up today. I did this in less than 5 minutes, and every month it'll be $19.95. After you get 3 people, refer 3 people to this system. Okay, all your people that join you, refer them to this system. Give them, make sure they put your information in that box I showed you. And let me show you mine again. So make sure you go down here at the bottom of my sales page. When you opt in, when they say who referred you, just put my information in there. My name, phone number, email in there. Okay, right down here. Please list your referral. See? Okay, and that way, after you get 3, yours is free. The $19.95, you won't be paying that because you will have 3 people. Okay, so this is perfect for everybody. I'm going to put the link below. Go ahead and get your system today. See, guys, you can drive traffic to this. It's going to be perfect. Okay, so make sure you go ahead and click the link. Get the system, the marketing system. This is going to be the marketing system that you can use. You can get my sales letter there as well, and you can go ahead and join. If you come in at level 2, you're going to get 200 leads from me, and I list that on here. If you come in higher, you get more leads, okay? But level 2, you will get 200 leads, all right? So get started. We've got a great team. The Mail Order Freedom Team, okay, is our group, and you want to get started with us. Once you join and we receive your payment, you'll be added to the group because we're adding information and content to help you succeed in this business, whether it's online or offline as well. Okay, so subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, go ahead and like the video, reach out to me if you have any questions, but go through the system, check it out. You cannot lose for $19.95 plus $10 one-time fee, guys, to get this system. It's already set up. It's set it and forget it. Just plug and play, and you're ready to rock and roll. Okay? I'll see you guys on the inside. You guys have a blessed day.